From my wife's inspiration and design to my creation. We recently renovated the bathroom and my wife wanted some shelving. But no, not any kind of shelving, not just straight shelving. She wanted this. But you know what? She worked really hard designing, getting everything together for this bathroom renovation that I thought this is the least that I could do. Oh no, geometry. Thought we were done with that? No. So Hex has 120-degree angles on the inside, which means that you have to make the wood cuts at about 60 degrees. I decided to use a table saw for this to get the most accuracy. So you have to set this angle at 30 degrees, so therefore the other side will be cut at 60 degrees. I put the fence down and put it about 6 to 7 inches away. Take your piece of wood, bring it through, and then you flip it around 180 degrees and run it through again. And all you gotta do is keep repeating that over and over again until you have 18 pieces.
This is just a scrap test piece that I used. This is the 60-degree cut. You can join it a little bit more in a fancy way. I just decided to glue the joints because nothing heavy was going on there, so it should be strong enough. So this is it so far. I've glued them together, and instead of using like big straps, which I do have but they're just a hassle to use, I masking tape, so I squeeze it together and then just put some nice strong tape on there. Now, because of the imperfections in cutting, you know, there can be a lot of gapping, but I just make sure that I test fit everything together, and I mark 1, 1, 3, 3, 2, 2, just to make sure that after I test fit that this is the best kind of combination. I have 14-year-old, 15-year-old stain for the flooring. A rag. I know it's not the best way to put it on, but I'm just gonna wipe on the stain.
Now, because I use pine, the stain doesn't really adhere as evenly as I'd like, but it's not bad, it's rustic. So to hang this, I used 2 picture hangers, and again, I just had to measure everything out so I can make it level, and I put these little white pads in here just to keep it off of the wall and to keep an even spacing. So the stain for the floor is actually the same stain that I used for the shelves, and the Hex floor tiles, the marble floor tiles, were the inspiration for the shelving. And there it is, hanging beautifully with all its dust collectors and knickknacks there. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this one. This project took quite a while to finally get done, but I'm pretty satisfied with it.